Almost time to go home. Let me do this repair before I call it for the day. Here we have an iPad Pro 12.9 that came in for no touch. Customer has a lot of notes for us on the tablet, and the label reads new screen, not respond, no touch. Note number 1, a new battery and screen, it powers on but no touch, screen response. Password, 4-digit number. And note number 2, problem with the connector. Problem with the connector. I do not see a problem with the connector, but probably the customer does not know how to click that connector. If you try to press the connector down, it's not going to work. You need to push it inside and then down. Push inwards, push it inwards, and click. Done. Connector has no issues. Now, customer mentioned that he replaced the screen, and customer mailed us 2 screens, the old one and the new one, supposedly the new one. And that's the old one, or that's the new one, and it's broken. The new one is broken. I do not know if customer broke it or if it arrived like this. It looks new because we do see the wrap on the front, but the screen is broken. We're going to have to let the customer know that the screen is broken. And the second screen that the customer mailed in, or maybe this one is the one that is supposed to be the good one. I did not check, but we're going to check together. And no, this one is totally broken. Look at this. So we're going to have to let the customer know that both screens are broken. I do not know if this is the new screen that he's talking about. I hope the customer has insurance with the shipping carrier, because screens for iPad Pro 12.9 are very expensive right now during COVID. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with the touch and why touch is not working. So we're going to take a look at the FEC connector, both of them, and see if we have issues there. Usually we have a blown touch filter right here. Let's go ahead and measure this filter. But I did notice one thing that may be the issue upon initial inspection. Just in a split second, I was able to tell what is going on. And let me show you what I mean. Look at this. We see a mark here. We see a burn mark here. And right under it, there's a filter. I'm almost 99% sure that this filter is blown. The filter blew and it caused this to melt. And that will affect touch as well. So I'm almost 90% sure that the problem is this filter and not this one here. Meter in continuity mode. And we're going to test. We're going to test from here to here. And the touch filter is good. Let's go ahead and test this one. And the filter is blown. Let's test from here to here. Filter is blown. That's our problem. That's a 201 filter. Okay, I'm going to use our hot air station with a very narrow nozzle. Look at this. The filter is broken. I did not even notice that until now. Very nice. And now I need to grab a size 201 filter. And by the way, we are working on a box with the most commonly used components in our shop here. And that will range from 1005 size filters to 01, 402, 805, fuse for MacBooks and iMacs, retimer chips, TriStar chips. Most common components that we use in our shop will all be put in one box, and I'll let you know when that box will be available for purchase. Because every day we get a lot of orders, and most of those orders, they almost always have the same items. They order filters, they order diodes, they order retimer chips, they order TriStar chips, they order a backlight IC for a MacBook. Almost always, everybody that places an order, especially for international customers, they order all those components from our site. So I was thinking, why not have all those components put in one box, like the most commonly used components in our shop here? We put them all in one box, so the person would only buy one box and he has all those components inside the box. And we can do a better price when we have everything put in one box. So I'm working on that box, and I think we should have it available very soon. I'll let you know. For now, let's go ahead and replace that component, the filter, and that's a 201 size filter. When working with iPads and iPhones, we use filters that range in sizes: 1005, 201, 805. So how do we grab this component? I'm going to add a tiny bit of flux to the tip of the tweezer, and let's see if we can grab it. Right there. See? I mean, this component is microscopic. Okay. We're good. We can touch up on this filter with our soldering iron, but no need. But why not? Let's go ahead and do it. And let's do the other side. Very nice. Let's test. Meter in continuity mode. And we're going to test from here to over here. Very nice. I mean, I'm almost 95% positive that what we did will fix the no-touch issue. But we'll see. Maybe there's something else wrong with this board. We're going to use the customer's screen. It looks like the whole board is lifted off the housing because I'm trying to separate the board from the battery. And look at this. Look at the board. It's lifted off the housing. So we do not know what work the customer did to this board, but the board should not be lifted like this. Screen is connected. And I need to remove the separator between the battery and the board. And I need to press down on the board so it makes a good connection with the battery. Otherwise, the tablet is not going to turn on. And assuming battery is charged, we should see something on the screen, like this. So we're going to be testing for a no-touch. Is touch working? And touch is working. Look at this. You can see it. Let me go under this camera here. Okay, so 5. I do not want to put the wrong password, but 6, 5, 8. Touch is working. Touch is working. So that's it. Time to go home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.